Hey, it's Eva Evelyn, a nail care video. Yay! So we will be removing the cuticles and all that. So my nails went ahead and cracked. Can you imagine that? It's been 2 months. So I can explain. The dead skin, the cuticles allow the nails. Ha! You can't imagine. So stay tuned and now let's start the video. Make sure that you subscribe. So we are starting by alleging the things that we are going to use for this video. So I'll need all that I'm alleging. So I'm starting by cutting off that nail or trimming it because nails, why are you cracking? Like, what do you mean? Like, actually, I think I was not ready to start a nail care, but because of that nail that did crack, that's pushed me. So stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share. And then I'm going to remove not the dead skin, sorry, my bad. I'm going to remove the gel polish. So I didn't have power and therefore I had to improvise. That is why I'm using a nail file to remove the gel. Yeah, so this will take me like 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how fast I do it. I find it to be very easy compared to the use of acetone or any other chemical to remove the gel. Then after that, I'm wiping the dust. Yeah, because of course. And then I'm applying cuticle cream. I have a cuticle cream. It's the first time I'm using it, so I'll give a review on how it is like in the next video. Then I'm using a cuticle pusher to push the cuticles. Yeah, because like you had seen while we were starting, the cuticles are like so many. So the purpose of this cuticle gel that now I'm applying is just to enhance in the softening of the cuticles and the dead skin allow the nail, and therefore when they soften, removing them becomes so easy. Very easy. So I'm spreading it along the nails, and then I go in with my cuticle pusher just to push it or to push the cuticles. And guys, don't judge me because like my nails were dirty, like so dirty. So we pushed the cuticles. Can you see that? What? Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share, comment. Let me know in the comment section what do you think of this kind of a nail care. How do you take care of your nails? For how long does it take for you to take care of your nails? Because this time loud, I tried. I think I tried because tell me why 2 months, like I've been having the same gel, though I've been doing a lot of nail care, like cleaning up the nails and all that. I think that is what has made me like just to delay removing that gel. Then after that, filing just to remove the smoothness and to remove that smoothness on the nail. So not really like filing like so much filing, just a little bit of filing. Yeah. So at this point, can I just say thank you so much for the 1,000 plus subscribers. Like I'm so happy about it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate, like, what we have come a long way. Yeah. Then I'm still using this cuticle pusher. Then I'm going in with the cuticle remover. I'm going in with a cuticle remover to remove the cuticles, and now this time out to cut the cuticles, the ones that if you are a pro, please make sure that you can be able to use these upper later, because at times you might harm your cuticles, and girl, you don't want to have an infection around your nails. It's so painful and it takes a lot of time for you to cure it. So make sure that if you are using this cuticle remover, you can be able to use it like you are a pro. So a lot of it, like you can see the whitish thing, those are all the cuticles and the dead skin. And then retrimming, reshaping the nails, reshaping the nails. That's all what I'm doing. Yeah, so I need that good shape. Like, I'm just not so good in trimming the nails using a nail cutter, and therefore a file always comes in. Then now I'm wiping out the dust and redoing this for the next, like, feet, because tell me why, what is this? So these were the scenes for the other feet, like they were not in a very good condition. So yeah. Yeah, so I think I should have put a caution for this video so that people who are irritated by this, like, and then after that I've wiped, and now I'm applying a base coat. Then from base coat I'm going in with a white gel. Yeah, I want my feet to pop and all that. Yeah, so go in with gel, cure it. I'm going in with the first coat, the second coat, just to ensure that yeah, it's good, the color is popping and all that. Like, I don't know, yeah, that's the goal. So check out my YouTube channel for more nail care videos. If you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe and welcome back. Okay, yeah. So like, it take a lot of time to apply gel. Like, I don't know, but you have to be cautious, and especially the whitish kind of gel, because like you have to be very careful, because once they land on the cuticle area, like cleaning up becomes so tedious, kind of. Yeah, so tedious, which is at times annoying. Yeah, at times doing DIY is so annoying, at the same time so fulfilling. For those people who do DIYs, let me know, how do you find it? How do you find it? Then to change up things and just to add some few spices here and there, I'm going in with a purple color, just to just make some decoration only on the big toenail. That is what I'm going to do. The rest of them, I'm not they gonna stay. Yeah, so stay tuned to see the look and the final look. Yeah, and that's the final look that I'm going in. I'm just going to apply the top coat, gel top coat. Yeah, and I really loved this result. This is how the final result was like. I've just moisturized my feet, and this is the final result. I'm so happy about this kind of nail art and the turn. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.